Hello, Mario! Trebuchet DIY May 2017. Hi. So in this video we're going to take a look at a trebuchet DIY exercise we did in class the other day over approximately 2 hours. So first up, I'll go to the big screen so you can see these more clearly. So this was the introductory head up piece where we had a bit of a little thing about his trebuchet, and then we went to the order of operations, which was the group. We went into groups with we had 2 groups today, and each group had to collect the materials pack, and then in 1 hour construct a trebuchet using the listed materials only. Now, some of the teams had to do a little bit of research using their phone or a playlist of trebuchet videos that I had available for them to view, and then they set about constructing their trebuchet using the materials listed on the next slide. Once constructed, the teams then test-fired their trebuchet just to make sure it worked, and do some final adjustments just to optimize them to get the maximum distance they could. And then once this was all ready, then they followed off to the official final shot of the trebuchet. Now all of this process is following the engineering design process that we've talked about in previous weeks. So it's just yet another example of following the design process. Now these are the materials, so only the materials can be used. So there's 15 bamboo skewers, 1 plastic cup, 3 hot glue sticks, 1 plastic launch receptacle, which was a little shot glass, 1 piece of string, a 50 gram weight, and a regulation missile. So only those materials could be used for construction. With help with construction, a hot glue gun was available, a craft knife and or scissors, and for administration possibly a team registration form if necessary. So that was it. They were on their way and off to make their trebuchets. And so it was that we went about making the trebuchets, and we had 2 teams making them over an hour, and then that finally led to the final shoot-off, which I can show in the following videos, followed by a little bit of a review of the trebuchets, what they look like, and how they were all put together. So let's go and have a look and see what transpired.
Come on, guys, at the same time.
This one's going to go first.
Hand up on 5. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Oh, I didn't record it there.
Ow.
You put the damn...
Let's see that again in slow motion. I think another go is warranted. Let's see if we can do better next time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's see that again in slow motion. Well, that went pretty well in my opinion. Both trebuchets performed reasonably. I think the distance was about the same for each one, although my reading of the video was that the one on the right hand side, as you look at it, seemed to have a slightly longer distance. But all in all, a pretty good result for the trebuchets. They both worked, and both worked reasonably well. So now let's go and have a closer look at the trebuchets and the mechanisms involved in them and how they were constructed. And here we have the 2 trebuchets side by side. So if we look a little bit at the detail of them, the one in the foreground has a wooden cross piece that the arm is attached to, whereas the other one has a twisted string. That also makes that one adjustable, so it's very, very helpful for optimizing the length of the thing. But yeah, it's pretty much the detail of the trebuchets right there for you to have a good look at. And so that's it for the trebuchets in this little exercise, a reasonably good outcome with the trebuchets, and some interesting observations and learning along the way. I will definitely be using this exercise again in different situations, and trying to improve on the delivery and the length of the throw. I look forward to seeing you again. Cheers! See you!